Did we have a good time here? Hello?
Record company usually like for you to support your album and go on tour, and I don't like to.
Can we just do it again without the negative, saying that you don't like the tour?
I don't like it though.
I know, but see, this
I
is,
go through
but what
hell.
Is it setting up though? I don't understand.
I go through hell
the whole
touring.
behind thing I love
Okay, then
about touring is that
I'll make it positive then.
Yeah, it's just
Well, you know the truth.
yeah.
Okay.
And action, Michael.
I love to tour. I would love to sing with you. Would you like to sing with me?
You don't sing? I don't sing. I did sing, but
How close are you?
I don't know. Pretty close.
Like this? Or can you see chess?
I can see right about where your Nike is.
What a schmuck. Back up. Ah, did with like this. That's how you